Hi, this is Lindsay from Access Fixtures, and today we're going to test the durability of our vandal-resistant LED luminaires. A common complaint we get from property owners is that the fixtures they install to light landscapes are damaged when hit by lawnmowers and rocks. We decided to test the durability of our vandal-resistant LED fixtures by dropping a lawnmower off the roof and onto one of our vandal-resistant LED luminaires to test its durability.
Wait a minute. Ready?
We're back in the studio to see if our LED wall pack will light. And it does! After being hit by a lawnmower, our vandal-resistant wall pack still lights. For more information on our vandal-resistant landscape lighting and wall packs, call an Access Fixtures lighting specialist today. And if you're in the market for a slightly used lawnmower, be sure to shop on Craigslist.